Alright guys, here comes Amtrak Capitol Corridor train 544. That's your eastbound train headed to Sacramento. And that cap car horn sounds like 8301 Mount Whitney or 8304 Mount Wilson. Because both of those horns sound similar. It is 8301 Mount Whitney. Alright, that is your eastbound Amtrak Capitol Corridor train 544. Your eastbound train headed to Sacramento will continue on to Martinez, Sassoon, Fairfield, Vacaville, Davis, and then Sacramento Valley Station. It's its final stop. Thank you everybody for watching, and thanks for rail fanning here. I could say that, I guess.